Rocky Outdoor Boots, the #1 performance brand in the nation.
If you're an outdoor enthusiast, chances are you're familiar with the rugged dependability of Rocky shoes and boots and apparel, your head-to-toe outfitter. Established in 1932, they're now the leading manufacturer and distributor of Gore-Tex footwear in North America. But before Rocky shoes and boots can help customers conquer rough terrain like this, they have to make it through the distribution center here in Nelsonville, Ohio. By 1998, the demand for their product had outpaced capacity, and company directors were struggling to coordinate distribution of products that were housed in 4 different facilities. As many as 13,000 pairs of boots and shoes, as well as apparel, were passing through this center every day to domestic and foreign customers. Dave Dixon is Director of Operations at Rocky Shoes and Boots.
We had a good system, but it was mostly a paper system, and we really kind of struggled with trying to get product to the customer. We really threw more personnel at problems trying to get it out the door.
Dixon said management determined that if Rocky Shoes and Boots expected to realize its dream of becoming the fastest growing footwear company in North America, they had to streamline their distribution process. For advice, they turned to their reliable colleagues, Hy-Tek Material Handling. Becky Steenrod, Distribution Manager.
We've used Hy-Tek not just in this facility, we use Hy-Tek in our old facility in a very minimal basis. We had very little conveyor, but what we did have was Hy-Tek. So when we took it one step forward, I would recommend Hy-Tek highly to anyone.
So, to reorganize and restructure their distribution operation, Rocky Shoes and Boots worked with Hy-Tek, who designed an integrated system featuring wire guidance order pickers in a very narrow aisle rack setting. A wraparound powered Hy-Tek conveyor, accessible from each aisle, carries picked products through a 20-lane sortation system with a scanner that soft drops items into the appropriate packing lane. This live roller conveyor then moves the finished packages to the shipping area. The raised sortation lanes with mezzanine allowed room for needed storage, return, and shipping areas. Customized software is used to interface with the system to track inventory, product retrieval, and sortation lanes.
And we started in our old facility, which was 90,000 square feet. We started there with some conveyor and some systems, and we kind of outgrew that. So we really got into the point to where we could come in and come up with a 200,000 square foot building with fully integrated systems, paperless society. So was really able to go from one extreme to another, and we've able to basically double our capacity, double our picking capacity with about 40% less operators.
The new system also dramatically increased inventory accuracy from 88 to a whopping 99.7%, flattened their peak season expense curve, and created a system that was much more user-friendly.
The conveyor system has been wonderful. We've had very, very little downtime at all. Maintenance on it is really easy. Our maintenance personnel were able to learn, and most of the maintenance is done during our downtime, so we really don't have very, very little downtime at all with our consultants.
The proof is in performance, and the Hy-Tek system designed and installed for Rocky Shoes and Boots is as tough and dependable as the product it carries. You don't have to be a $100 million company to reap the benefits from a custom Hy-Tek conveyor and sortation system from Hy-Tek. So if expensive distribution bottlenecks and ineffective sortation processes are limiting your company's potential and profits, contact your Hy-Tek representative to get your product out the door fast.